Today, we're diving into a really fascinating report from the tech research firm Virtualization Options LLC, and it asks a question that honestly might seem a little strange at first. How on earth does a 40-year-old IT framework become the secret weapon for unlocking the power of cutting-edge AI? Yeah, you heard that right. Let's get into it.
So this is the big question we've got to tackle. I mean, it's easy to look at something like ITIL, the Information Technology Infrastructure Library, which has been around since the 80s, and just write it off. Think of it as a relic, totally obsolete. But what this research makes crystal clear is that dismissing it is a massive mistake.
All right, so here's the game plan. First, we're going to bust that myth about ITIL being obsolete. Then we'll explore the incredible synergy it has with AI. After that, we'll see it in action with some killer real-world results. And we'll wrap up with a simple roadmap you can actually use.
Okay, let's jump right into our first section. To really get why ITIL is so important today, we first need to look at what happens when companies try to use either ITIL or AI all by themselves. It doesn't go so well.
And this slide just lays out the dilemma perfectly. On one side, you've got ITIL without AI. It's stable, it's structured, but man, is it slow. You're stuck with manual processes, you're always reacting to problems instead of preventing them, and you're limited by how many people you have on staff. Then on the other side, you have AI without ITIL. It's blazing fast and super powerful, but it's pure chaos. There's no governance, users get a totally inconsistent experience, and trying to scale it is a nightmare. You get these cool-looking pilot projects that just fizzle out.
So, what's the answer? Well, it's not about picking one over the other. The magic happens when you combine them. And the best way to think about this powerful combination is like having a roadmap and an engine. See, ITIL is your roadmap. It gives you that essential structure, the proven processes, and the governance. It's the blueprint that makes sure everyone's on the same page and that your services are delivered reliably and consistently, every single time. And AI, that's the engine. It takes that perfectly good roadmap and just supercharges it. It brings intelligent automation, predictive insights, and just incredible speed to the table. It handles all the grunt work and crunches data at a scale that no human team could ever hope to match. So when you put them together, this is what you get, the AI-ITIL synergy. And it's not just about, slapping some AI on top of your old processes. It's a true integration. ITIL's structure makes AI reliable and scalable, and AI's automation makes ITIL's processes incredibly smart and efficient. You actually get the best of both worlds, rock-solid reliability and groundbreaking innovation. Okay, so that's the big idea, but let's get practical. How does this actually work day to day? We're going to look at how AI plugs right into the core of the modern ITIL 4 framework, what they call the service value chain. Think of it as the operating model for getting work done. Now, this is the heart of ITIL 4. It's a set of 6 activities that cover the entire lifecycle of any IT service. We're not going to walk through all 6, don't worry, but let's check out a few key examples to see what happens when you inject a little AI into the mix. Let's start with Engage, which is all about how IT interacts with its users. With AI, boom, you have chatbots giving instant 24/7 support. But it's way smarter than that. Sentiment analysis can literally detect when a user is getting frustrated in a chat and automatically pass them to a real person. How cool is that? It's about making the human experience better, not just replacing people.
Okay, next up, design and transition. This is change management, and it's where things traditionally go wrong and break. But with AI, you can predict the impact of a change before you ever push the button. You can catch conflicts that would have caused a major outage. I mean, that's a massive leap from cleaning up messes to preventing them from ever happening.
And in deliver and support, AI just completely flips the script. Instead of waiting for someone to call and complain that something's broken, anomaly detection can spot issues before users are even affected. And when a problem does happen, AI can instantly serve up the most likely solution. The whole model shifts from reactive to truly, genuinely proactive.
This all sounds amazing, right? But does it actually deliver? Let's look at the proof, because the report highlights some absolutely incredible results from organizations that are already doing this.
First up, 78%. Think about that. Nearly 8 out of 10 password reset requests are handled instantly by AI. This frees up your skilled IT pros to solve the hard problems that actually need a human brain.
How about this one? A 43% drop in service outages caused by changes. By using AI to see the future and predict the ripple effects of an update, companies are preventing problems before they ever start. That means more uptime and happier users. And check this out, a 62% reduction in the time it takes to fix complex problems.
That's solving a tough issue in less than half the time. AI can spot the root cause way faster than any human team, which means less downtime and a way better experience for everyone.
And this case study from OCBC Bank really brings it all together. They rolled out an AI assistant in Microsoft Teams, and just look at these numbers. Almost 1,000 employees are using it. 72% said it made them more productive. Even their software engineers got a 20–30% efficiency boost. The AI basically made the bank's entire knowledge base instantly searchable, 24/7.
Okay, so the proof is in the pudding. The synergy is real. The results are undeniable. So the big question is, how do you actually start? How do you make this happen in your organization? Let's walk through a simple, practical roadmap.
The report lays out this really clear 4-step path. First, you got to assess where you are right now. How solid are your ITIL processes? Is your data clean and ready for AI? Second, define your goals. Don't just do AI for the sake of AI. What business problem are you trying to solve? Third, pilot a project that's a quick win, something high impact but low risk, like automating those password resets. And finally, once you've got that win, you integrate it, scale it up, and keep on improving.
This quote from the research just sums it all up perfectly. Success isn't about choosing the old way or the new way. It's about combining them. It's about using the proven, structured foundation of ITIL as the launchpad for the absolutely transformative power of AI.
So here's the bottom line. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. The roadmap is clear, the tools are here, and the combination of a 40-year-old framework and today's technology is completely revolutionizing IT. So the only question left is, are you ready to lead the charge?